muddy. Get muddy, dog.
Hey, Blue!
Skipping out.
Go, Roof!
Look at that. I'm surprised.
Run, Roof!
He's moving. They're having, you know what? He never plays this hard and has this much fun here because it's not wet. It's because it's wet. He's such a water dog. He's so freaking muddy.
Well, we know who shouldn't go home tonight.
Yes, here he goes. He loves his little mud pit.
Don't worry. It's all washable, you know what I mean?
Oh yeah. Yeah, he's getting a bath.
Oh, my wife. What did you do, sport?
He's like, what? You don't want to pet me?
No.
What?
Don't I look gorgeous? I got my play clothes on.
Blue.
Oh, Rufy, don't you do that, buddy. Can't do anything about that.
That was awesome. He had so much fun doing it.
He is loving it. He's coming back for more. Oh, no. I'm just going to run.
Run, Roof! Why are you even going there? Over there, it's raining.
It's Saturday, though. I figured that my chances were still okay. That there would be someone here.
I'm glad my master shower, I remodeled it because of my age, took out the bathtub. It's a walk-in, it's got a hand shower.
That's awesome.
And I just give him a shower. It's really good.
Easier, right?
Yes.
Tita, no.
Run!
My fiance is going to be really, really entertained.
You guys have to drive here?
Yeah.
I will walk, so you guys are in trouble.
Yeah.
I've got a station wagon. We'll flip the back real nice.
Can you send me the video?
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tita's in it.
Yeah.
She's having so much fun. She loves it.
Oh, no.
Out of the mud.
Oh, nice prance.
Yeah.
Nice prance jump. Woo.
She's like, she wants to play. Bye, Blue. Tita, get away. Ay, it's too late.
It's too late. If you hang out with Blue, you're in bad company. You're going to get dirty.
But she loves the